Ever wondered how some creators pump out viral TikTok and YouTube shorts so quickly? What if I told you they're using AI to automate the entire process? Yes, that's right. Artificial intelligence is changing the game, making it easier than ever to create stunning, attention-grabbing short videos in just minutes. Imagine a world where your laptop, a friendly robot, and a glowing magic wand work together to help you make content. That's the power of today's AI tools. Dynamic, futuristic, and supercharged for creativity. So how do you tap into this neon-lit future of video creation? Let's break it down into 4 simple steps. Step 1. Start with your idea. Whether you're sharing a life hack, a funny moment, or a quick tutorial, it all begins with a clear concept. Jot down your thoughts or write a short script. Don't worry about making it perfect. Just focus on what you want to say and how you want to grab your audience's attention. Step 2. Bring in the AI heavyweights. Tools like VideoGen and ChatGPT are your new creative partners. Type your script into ChatGPT and let it polish your words or generate fresh ideas. Then, feed your refined script into VideoGen, which uses cutting-edge technology to transform text into animated, engaging video clips. You can customize visuals, add effects, and even choose different styles. Neon colors, dynamic transitions, and futuristic vibes are all just a click away. Step 3. Give your video a voice and soundtrack. AI-powered voice generators let you add lifelike narration with just a few keystrokes. Choose the tone, accent, and character that match your message. Want some music? AI platforms can generate vibrant electronic beats that sync perfectly with your video's energy, turning every second into a burst of excitement. No need for expensive recording gear or hours in the studio. The whole process is smooth, fast, and incredibly fun. Step 4. Export your creation and share it with the world. AI tools make it easy to save your finished video in the perfect format for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Upload it directly from your computer, add a catchy caption, and watch the views roll in. The transition from idea to viral content has never been so seamless. This isn't just the future of content creation, it's happening right now. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just getting started, AI tools are leveling the playing field, letting anyone make eye-catching videos that stand out in the feed. So, what are the benefits? Speed, because AI automates the boring stuff and lets you focus on your creativity. Style, because you get access to stunning effects and visuals that used to take hours to create. Consistency, because you can quickly turn ideas into content and keep your audience engaged. And most importantly, fun, because building videos with AI feels like having a team of creative geniuses working by your side. Ready to join the revolution? Don't wait for your next big idea to get lost in your notes. With AI, every thought can become a viral moment, animated, voiced, and shared with the world in minutes. Try these AI tools today and see how easy it is to create content that pops, glows, and connects. Neon colors, dynamic animations, and smooth transitions are no longer reserved for professionals. They're available to everyone. The future of short video creation is here, and it's more colorful and exciting than ever before. Unlock your creative potential. The links are in the description. Give AI a try now, and let your ideas shine brighter than ever.